Hello everybody, this is Scott from Wide Open Throttle Garage. The other day I started disassembling my old square body 86 Chevrolet truck, the rear suspension on it. I'm going to install a new No Limit Engineering fat bar system on it. My son told me I should have videotaped the disassembly, so it's a little late for that, but I'm going to show you what I did to remove all of the suspension components. First thing I did was, when the axle's in the truck, leveled everything, put a plumb bob on either side of the axle, marked the lines, got the center line for my axle, because we have to know what the center line of the axle is to set our fat bar system up. Then after I did that, I removed the U-bolts right here, removed them from the axle, dropped the axle out, rolled it out, there it sits, got everything disassembled off it. Then I removed the springs. You just got to pull a couple bolts from the shackle. Right there's the shackle on the back. And then you pull the bolt from the front of it right there on that hanger, and the spring comes out. Then I removed that hanger from the frame. Now that's not a stock hanger. That's a hanger that raises your spring up to drop the truck. I'd put a lift kit on this truck in probably 1991, and it came with the longer shackles for the rear, and then the hangers in the front to give you a 4-inch drop on it. So to do that, when I did it, I had to undo all the pop rivets right there. So I had, not pop rivets, but rivets. So I had to cut the heads off of them, punch them out, and those bolted on. So still have the stock hangers in the rear, and I'm going to have to cut the rivets off them and get the hangers off, which I've done on the other side already. Part of the rivet's still there, but I removed that hanger back there. And this is what the fat bar system looks like. So it's going to weld onto the frame right there. I think they have a newer version of it now for the 73 to 87 C10s that actually bolts on and uses some of the existing holes. But I got mine a little earlier, so it didn't come that way. I have to locate everything on this one and weld it in myself. And that's what the fat bar looks like right there. I just got one mocked up, and it also comes with C notches, so I'm going to mount those on there. That has the mounts, the upper mounts for your coilovers. I'm using a coilover. I'm not using the airbag system on mine. But yeah, basically that's what I have done to it so far. I know it's a short video, and it sounds pretty easy. It probably took a couple hours to get all this done, but it really wasn't that bad. Alright, well, thanks for watching.